All right, for some reason I need to edit my theme header and add some add scripts to my header. But each time I try to save the changes, I keep having error, just like you see on screen. This is my script. I click on update file, and it keep on giving me this error and this error for long. It's possible that your own error could be failed to communicate or HTTP error 0 and all of that. So I tried doing that through my back end because that was the error I had initially, that I should fix that from the back end, and that was not even working. So I actually come to my back end and try to fix some things here. So I have this HTTP error, 0 communicate failure, and all of this. So what I needed to do was either to deactivate all my plugins or deactivate the particular plugin that is giving me this error. And all I have to do was just come back to my plugin list from the WordPress dashboard, and I deactivated all Elementor related plugins. So once I do that, I was able to actually integrate my changes and actually save my theme file. So all I did was deactivate this, apply, or you can just do that from the cPanel. Rename your plugins to whatever anything.old and do whatever changes you need to do, and go back and rename your theme back and activate them. So now that I've deactivated Elementor related plugins, as you can see from here, it was being specific that it was Elementor. But in the earlier version of the error I had, it was not even being specific that it was Elementor. So now that I know it's Elementor, I can come back here to my theme header and post my script, which is this line that I've posted already. Then I can come down and click on update file, which actually have successfully edited. So now with this, now I'm able to fix my problem. So if you're having this issue and this was able to help you navigate fixing your issue, you can do well to like this video, and if you're yet to subscribe, you can hit the subscribe button. All right, thank you, and do have a wonderful time.